Niscemi, a historic town in southern Sicily, is facing a geological disaster far more severe than first believed. Engineers now confirm that the land is not only sliding outward but collapsing inward beneath the town, an unstoppable process that continues to tear the ground apart. Engineers warn that the disaster is worse than initially reported. Unlike a typical landslide, the collapse in Niscemi is occurring inward, undermining entire sections of land from below. According to experts monitoring the site, this type of ground failure is extremely difficult to control. In its current state, the collapse cannot be fully stopped, only managed to reduce further loss. For centuries, experts have warned that the ground beneath Niscemi is dangerously unstable. Historical records document landslides as far back as the 1790s, when early engineers cautioned that the town was built on failing foundations. Despite repeated warnings, little was done to reinforce the cliffs or improve drainage systems. Over time, rainwater seeped into the soil, weakening the slopes year after year. That long-ignored risk finally became reality when a 4-kilometer section of hillside collapsed. The ground did not simply slide outward, it began collapsing inward, pulling parts of the town with it. Entire buildings were swallowed by the void below. Others were left split open, with deep cracks running through walls, floors, and staircases. Roads fractured into jagged slabs as the earth shifted violently. Underground pipes snapped apart, cutting water and sewage lines in multiple neighborhoods. Authorities immediately declared a red zone along the eastern edge of Niscemi. The restricted area stretches up to 150 meters inward from the collapse line. Around 1,500 residents were ordered to evacuate within minutes. Many were forced to leave their homes with only the clothes they were wearing. Aerial footage shows a massive beige scar cutting through the town. Below the cliffs, enormous piles of collapsed earth spread across the plain. Surrounding farmland is etched with fresh fissures, indicating the ground is still moving. Engineers fear the collapse is continuing beneath the surface. Several buildings now hang over the edge of what remains of solid ground, suspended above space. Any further movement could send them crashing down. Emergency crews now escort residents who attempt to retrieve belongings from the danger zone. Even these brief visits must be rushed. There's no time to stop or think, one official warned. Broken drainage systems and severed water pipes jut out from the exposed soil below, revealing the true scale of the destruction. Unfortunately, the situation is truly critical, said geospatial data engineer Gianfranco Di Pietro. He warned that the historic center of Niscemi is now at serious risk. According to engineers, the collapse is worse than initially reported. The inward failure of the ground makes stabilization extremely difficult, and some experts say the process cannot be fully stopped. The danger extends beyond Niscemi. Across Sicily, similar hillsides are showing signs of failure, with increasing reports of cracked foundations and structural collapse. Specialists have long recommended modern drainage systems to prevent soil saturation during extreme storms. However, those plans were delayed for years by legal disputes and bureaucratic obstacles. Prosecutors in nearby Gela have now opened an investigation into possible negligence. For many residents, the disaster is not just a natural tragedy, but a catastrophe that came with clear warnings that were ignored. As investigations begin, residents and experts agree on one grim conclusion: the Sicily landslide is far more destructive than authorities first acknowledged, and the inward collapse of the ground may permanently reshape Niscemi's future.